A New York woman pleaded guilty today to several charges for her role in sending synthetic drugs into correctional facilities.
According to the U.S. Attorney's Office, Maya McIntosh of Albany admitted today to manufacturing and distributing synthetic drugs with the help of others to inmates at several New York prisons. McIntosh covered documents with the substance, put the documents into envelopes disguised as legal mail using the names of real attorneys.
Now, this comes after several recent incidents at correctional facilities where workers were exposed to unknown substances, making them feel sick or even needing hospitalization. You'll remember back in January, dozens of workers at the Upstate Correctional Facility in Malone were sent to the hospital after interacting with some sort of material inside the prison.
Shortly after those incidents, thousands of COs across New York State went on an unsanctioned strike that lasted nearly 3 weeks. Workers were calling for changes to be made to their jobs and to make them safer. Some of their demands included new policies regarding mail sent to inmates and mandatory body scans for all visitors. Those who were on strike say that's how many of these drugs and substances get into prisons in the first place.
Last week, docs fired more than 2,000 COs who participated in those unsanctioned strikes. Governor Kathy Hochul then signed an executive order barring those workers who were fired from being able to work in any state jobs or for local law enforcement.
Today, members of the Senate Republican Conference wrote a letter to the governor asking her to rescind that order. The letter says in part, there are reports from the National Guard members that the conditions are worse than Afghanistan inside these prisons. They go on to say the executive order prohibits state and local employment for law enforcement officials whose only sin was standing up for safer working conditions.